Dear students, till date we have discussed till Ohm's law, resistance and resistivity. So now we are coming on verification of Ohm's law. For that we need certain equipments or instrument. First one is cell. Cell is or collection of cells is called battery, and these are the symbols of cell and battery. Cell or battery is used to provide the potential difference between 2 points, because the current flows only when there is a potential difference between 2 points. And second thing is the circuit should be closed. So for that we use the plug key or switch. It decides when we want to use the particular appliance. Like for example, we are having the switches with the fan, electric, any instrument if you are having at home, then we are always having the switch. So we can use the appliance according to our choice. Next is unknown resistance. You know Ohm's law says V upon I is constant, and that constant is resistance. So we have to use the unknown value of resistance so that we can show that by all readings we are getting the same value of resistance, and this is the symbol of resistance. It's showing zigzag, basically to show obstruction in the path of current. Next thing is connecting wires. You know, like for example, we are having cell or battery, then unknown resistance, then the plug key or switch. So similarly other devices also. To connect these devices we use the connecting wires. Connecting wires are normally, you can say, good conductors. Like we take aluminum wires in the normal circuits, we use copper wires. And for better conductor, you can say if you want to use like for a specific purpose like solar cells and all, so there we use silver also. Next device is ammeter. Symbolically we show it by this symbol. So it is used for measuring the current flowing through a circuit. Now because we want the current should be the, say for example this circuit we have taken, then we want the whole current whatever is coming by the battery should pass through the ammeter, then only it will give you the actual value of the current. So we say ammeter is always connected in series. Similarly when we say potential, so for measuring the potential difference we use the term voltmeter. Now voltmeter, if you see, it is connected always between the 2 points where the unknown resistance is connected, because we have to measure the potential difference across these 2 points where the unknown resistance is there. So we have to use the same pair of points. So we say it is always connected in parallel, or you can say always connected between the points where resistance is connected. So if you see the circuit carefully, then you see the whole current is passing through ammeter. So we say ammeter should not change the value of current flowing in the circuit. So the own resistance of the ammeter should be negligible, and we say for ideal ammeter this value is 0. Similarly, when you see voltmeter, here two possible paths are there. One is the current will divide at this point in two parts, one through resistance and one through voltmeter. अब say for example, if the resistance is 5 ohm and total current 2 ampere is coming, then potential difference across this resistance will be 10 volt. But now because two possible paths are there, so now the current will decrease. So instead of 2, it is going 1.8. Then accordingly the value will change. So we say that when we are having this in parallel, so resistance of voltmeter should be very very high so that maximum current is passing through the resistance. So we say that ideal voltmeter should have infinite resistance. Next, if you don't have any rheostat, then in that case when you take the reading, there will be a single value of ammeter and voltmeter. But when we say verification, so we have to show the resistance value is coming same by 3 or 4 readings. So we use rheostat for that purpose. Rheostat is a variable resistance. So when we change the value of resistance of rheostat, then accordingly the value of current and the voltage will change in the circuit, and we will get more than one reading. So you can say for verification we have to use more than one reading, or we can say we have to use the rheostat. Symbols of rheostat are shown. We use these two symbols for the rheostat.